Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best affordable winches in the market which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Champion 10,000 pounds truck SUV winch. Champion Power Equipment is one of the highest rated brands present on our list today. It features one of the most powerful winches suitable for heavy applications. Coming in first place, we have this winch kit with remote control kit that features a massive 10,000 pounds pulling capacity and powered by a 3.6 HP wound motor. Even with the high capacity, it is quite efficient with the performance as the motor allows a fast line speed of up to 3.9 feet per minute even when it's under full load capacity. As for no load, you will be able to retract at a rate of 15.7 feet per minute. The overall winching experience is made very simple with this device as it comes with a dedicated handheld remote control that allows you to connect the device very quickly. The pulling cable on this winch kit with remote control is 85 feet long and made up of galvanized Super Duty aircraft material for safe and smooth performance. Number 2. Our second best pick is Smittybilt 10,000 pounds synthetic rope winch. Smittybilt is also a renowned name that has been included on our list today. If you require a heavy-duty option, Smittybilt will be a great choice. In the second position, we have put yet another high-capacity electric winch. This is a completely waterproof winch that features a synthetic rope that allows a maximum load capacity of up to 10,000 pounds. The kit also includes a forged hook and a hawse fair lead for best performance. Apart from that, you will be getting a wireless remote and a 98.5 feet long synthetic cable as well. The winch is powered by a 6.6 HP amphibious motor that is highly resistant to water damage. The motor features a 3-stage planetary gear system and dual solenoid mounting option so that you can easily mount the device on any vehicle. Smittybilt is providing a lifetime warranty period on the mechanical parts of the winch. This is possible because of the 500 amp solenoid present on the device. Number 3. Our third best pick is Warn 103252 VR 10,000 pounds electric winch. Warn is a highly reliable brand that features a variety of products that are similar to a winch and suitable for identical applications. The Warn winch is a great choice for a long-term purchase. Up next, we are including the most reliable winch kit that you will be using for a very long time. This is still a comparatively better option than most other choices present on the market as it features up to 10,000 pounds power capacity powered by a steel cable. It is suitable for up to 1/2 ton pickup trucks as well if you are thinking about commercial application. The high pulling capacity is possible because of the 90 feet long steel rope having a diameter of 3/8 inches. It is powered by a high-power wound series motor and planetary gear mechanism that allows a high line speed of up to 25 feet per minute under load. Still, it has a lower amp draw that allows you to use the device without requiring high power. It has IP68 water resistance that makes it perfectly reliable under worse weather conditions. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is FIERYRED 4,500 pounds electric synthetic rope winch. FIERYRED is yet another affordable brand feature on our picks today. The winch from FIERYRED is perfectly suitable for light applications. This winch is the most affordable winch present in the market today with a possible lifting capacity of up to 4,500 pounds. The motor powering this unit has a 1.9 HP rating and a full metal 2-stage gear system which makes it easier to pull the load. This is a permanent magnet motor that ensures high performance for a longer lifespan. The gear reduction ratio for this motor is 153:1 that enables a stronger pulling capacity. It is one of the smart options as there are dual wireless remote controls with a range of up to 25 meters. The synthetic rope used on this device is highly advanced and almost 10 times better in comparison with other synthetic ropes present in this class. It allows up to 2.6 feet per minute line speed under full load. Without any load, it can go as high as 10.8 feet per minute. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Stegadon new 9,500 pounds electric winch. Now that you are familiar with the high-capacity options, here are some affordable choices. Stegadon is one of the few affordable brands from our picks. This electric winch is one of the most affordable winches out of the best winches picked for our list today. It features a very unique look which differentiates it from all other options. It has a decent pulling capacity of up to 9,500 pounds, which is possible because of the 3-stage high-efficiency planetary gears. The motor itself has a 5.5 HP power capacity that makes it suitable for muddy terrains. The included synthetic rope has fluorescent paint that makes it easily visible even in the dark. This electric winch is completely soundproof as well as waterproof, which adds up to the overall reliability of the device. It is backed by the 500 amp solenoid and a heavy-duty contactor which makes it perfect for muddy roads. The line speed for this electric winch is up to 24.6 feet per minute when there is no load and up to 6.4 feet per minute under full load capacity. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.